All right, so we're going to come back to coordinate graphing. I know we did coordinate graphing at the beginning of the school year, but we're going to review some things over the different parts of the graph. So, sorry, I didn't mean to put that little red line there. Okay. We're going to focus in on the different parts and plotting points. All right, so here, remember, we have our x-axis, which goes side to side. So I'm going to put x-axis here. Then our up and down number line, our vertical axis, this is our y-axis. Okay? And then here, if you forget, up top, it's going to show you x goes side to side, and your y goes up. Well, it really goes up and down, but today we're going to just talk about y going up, okay? Because we're only going to introduce you to quadrant 2, because you guys have already dealt with quadrant 1. You guys already done a positive number and a positive number. And now we're going to introduce you to quadrant 2. Okay, so this right here, where the x and the y meet, we call this the origin. And the origin has an ordered pair of 0, 0. Again, that's where your x and y meet. So they meet at the origin, which is 0, 0. I like to think of the O that starts with 0. It almost looks like a 0. So 0, 0. Get it? Okay. Now we're going to find our ordered pair. Remember, we're always going to find x first and then y. So I'm going to go to A, and I'm going to look at my number line, and I'm going to find here. So when we start at here, we can see that A on the x number line reads a -4. So when I make my ordered pair, I'm going to put -4 for my x. Then I'm going to look at my y. Where is the number on the y number line? So we're going to look on our y, our up and down number line. And here I see that the number is a +2. So now my ordered pair for A would be -4, +2. All right, I'm going to do that again for B. So see here, here's B. Remember, we want x, then y. So I'm going to look for my x. I'm going to go to that x side to side number line first. And when I do, I see that B is lined up with the 0. So my x is 0. Because if I go to that x number line, I see B is lined up with 0. Now I'm going to check on my y number line. My y number line, B is at 6. So the ordered pair for B would be 0, 6. Okay, let's try another one. I'm going to erase that so we can see. All right, let's go ahead and let's do C. So C is right here. And here we are going to check our x value first. So we go to our x number line, our side-to-side number line, and our x coordinate is a -6. Now we're going to check our y value. So we're going to go to the up and down number line. And I see that the y number line is showing 15. So my ordered pair for C is -6, 15. All right, let's check D. So I'm going to find my X and my Y. X is always first, Y is always second. And we're going to come over here. And we see that my X number line for D is showing 7. So we would put a 7 in the X. And for the Y, if I go over to the Y, it's showing 0. So 0 for the Y. So my ordered pair for D would be 7, 0. Okay? Now let's check out E. Remember, when I write my ordered pair, I want X first, Y second. So I'm going to find E, find my X first, so I got to go to my X number line, and my X coordinate is going to be a +3. Then I'm going to check out my Y. So I'm going to see, where does it line up with that Y? And it is a +12. So my ordered pair for E would be 3, 12.